Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm sorry that we've not vlogged for you guys in a long time, but today we're gonna make an epic vlog for you guys. We are going on a cruise. We're about to head to the airport, to JFK airport, and from there we're gonna take a flight to Barcelona. And from there we're gonna tell you more information. Hey guys, right now we're in Barcelona. We just arrived. The flight was amazing. We just took a bus here from the airport here. Then we're going to have some breakfast, maybe a croissant or two, and go to the cruise.
PhD, he took pharmacy in Russia, and his position.
We're at the port. The cruise ship port is over there. We're just like over here next to the seaside. And it's beautiful. The sun is beaming. It's like around 60 in Barcelona. It's hot. And yeah, we're gonna go to the port where the cruise ship is soon. Meet you there. Right now, we are in the bus. We're going to the cruise. It's like 5 minutes away. And yeah. Hey guys, right now we're on the ship and it's so far amazing. Ship. We just left port, like 10 minutes ago we left port. It's beautiful. Look at the sun, guys. After all the settling in we've done in the cruise, it's time to go sleep because it's late. We're at our second day at sea. We are heading to Casablanca next. Casablanca is in Morocco, and Morocco is in Africa. This is our second day at sea, as you can see. We're gonna relax today because we have nothing really to do. Okay, guys. It is very sunny. My eyes are about to blow up. Right now, I'm relaxing. I'm just like sitting down, enjoying the sun. It's nice outside. I was doing some like sports and running. Yeah. Okay, we just finished playing soccer. Now we're gonna play some ping pong. one of the most famous places in Casablanca, Mosque de Hassan.
That's a quick one. That's the quick one. Because it's supposed to go. I'm sure.
We just ran some errands and we're about to head to the port. Okay guys, so right now we finished our adventure in Casablanca and we're heading back to the cruise. As you can see, we're walking back right here. Don't mind this little thing on my face. I just got angel letter. It wasn't painful, but I will still vlog for you guys. We are in Las Palmas. It's a beautiful island. Hey guys, we are in Funchal. This island is part of Portugal and it's a lovely place. The weather's nice here. It's breezy and sunny, a mix. It's nice. And guys, did you know for a fact that Cristiano Ronaldo, the best player in the world, soccer player, he was born here in this city? That's hard to believe, but it is true. And we're gonna go explore for you guys. And we're gonna show you around. So let's go. Okay guys, right now we're gonna take a cable car to the top of the city. now we are in Malaga. Malaga is in Spain, and it is a lovely place. And we're going to use our hours here in Malaga very wisely because we have family members that live near Malaga, and they are driving to us right now. I'm going to meet them in a couple minutes. And from there, we'll walk for you guys. And yeah, let's go.
Yo mañana tengo guardia, pero bueno.
Guys, we're in Alicante, which is our last stop, and we are gonna head to Barcelona tomorrow, and from there we are going home.
Das 1924 von Juan.
Museo Arqueológico de Alicante. Fue inaugurado en su forma definitiva en el año 2000. En el
Faccia su tutta la baia di Alicante e nei giorni più soleggiati si può avvistare l'isola di Tabarca. L'immagine della montagna dalla spiaggia assomiglia a una faccia, per cui riceve il nome di Cara del Moro, la faccia del marocchino, ed è un'icona della città di Alicante. Non perdetevi la panoramica della città dai differenti baluardi del castello, la città di Alicante, l'arena e gli altri edifici singolari, così come le spettacolari viste della baia dove rimarrà sorpreso dal riflesso del sole sopra l'azzurro del mar Mediterraneo. Castillo Santa Barbara. Die Burg Santa Barbara befindet sich auf dem Berg Benacantil.
Modernist inspired elements. It was built
Sous la direction de Juan Vidal Ramos en 1911 et 1912.
sur la muraille. Anguillano Avenue has idyllic locations for strolling and relaxing. The Parque de Canary.
Hey guys, right now we're in Barcelona. We're in the plane in the Barcelona airport. We're heading to London, and from London we're heading to New York.